Hello, welcome to the Good Mix Kitchen. Today we will share with you how to cook vegetable biryani in just 20 minutes. It is simple yet so flavorful and fragrant dish. It is a treat that's hard to beat. So let's begin. You will need the following ingredients. They are all listed in the description below. Firstly, we will prepare the vegetables. In a preheated pan, add 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Once oil is hot, add cumin seeds and let them crackle. Then add chopped onions. After mixing, add ginger garlic paste and salt and fry for 5 minutes until onions start caramelizing. Once they are nicely brown, it's time to add spices, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric, and biryani masala. Mix well. Then add 4 tablespoons of yogurt and mix well until it's dissolved. Then add your vegetables. We chose cauliflower, carrots, green beans and potatoes, but of course you can choose whichever vegetables you like. Add a bit of boiling water, mix, close the lid and cook for 8 minutes. While vegetables are cooking, we can cook our rice. Into a pot of boiling water, add cinnamon stick, 3 cardamoms, 3 cloves and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Mix them well. And then add pre-washed and pre-soaked basmati rice. We soaked them for 15 minutes. Boil them on high heat for about 6 to 7 minutes until 80% cooked. Now, when vegetables and rice ready, we can make biryani layers. Grease pan with some butter or oil and add first layer of rice. Now add the layer of vegetables and another layer of rice. Add some melted ghee. This is completely optional. Then add some milk with saffron dissolved in it. Top it up with some fresh coriander. Cashew nuts. Crispy fried onions. Cover with some foil before covering with lid. And put on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. And it's ready. It smells so good. Rice is so fluffy and the flavors are divine. Not to mention it's all so quick. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to be a part of Good Mix Kitchen.